Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
To talk about the past, we can use the simple past tense. For example, I visited my family last weekend. What did you do yesterday? To ask about life experiences, we use the present perfect. Have you ever traveled by train? Yes, I have. Or, no, I have never traveled by train. For advice in an imaginary situation, we say, if I were you, I would. If I were you, I would take that good job. To talk about now, we use the present continuous. What is the chef doing? The chef is cooking a delicious meal right now. For a future plan with a condition, we use if. If it is sunny tomorrow, we will go for a hike in the mountains. To compare two things, we can use more. For me, this book is more interesting than the movie. Which one do you like? We use used to for something that was true in the past but is not true now. I used to live in a small place. When the action is more important than who does it, we use the passive voice. First, the ingredients are mixed together to make the cake. We use be going to talk about our future plans. What are we doing on Saturday? We are going to have a fun party. To give good advice, we use the word should. You look very stressed. You should sit down and relax for some time.